Yo YouTube, it's your boy Zabs, back with another video. We got some upgrades I do want to show. It's been a while since I posted, so yeah. First upgrade that, well, not really upgrade, but first little quality of life I did was the little dash cam. You can barely tell it's a dash cam, especially from the front. So it was pretty easy to change too. You just gotta pull this plastic back, and then you start pulling from here. You just pull it all back, and literally this dash cam is called FitCam X. So you just pull it back, and it's really easy, plug and play. It all connects, you know, not wirelessly, but you connect it through your phone through Bluetooth, and it's real simple. Also got some new floor mats. We got some 3D Max Spider, I think it's called. I got them from I&D Solutions or I&D Distributions. So yeah, they're pretty nice. Better than the carpet in my opinion, not in terms of looks, but in terms of how it mud and, you know, tracking dirt goes. Yeah, so I'm also doing the Bowers and Wilkins upgrade from the Harman car door, and yeah, it looks amazing. You know, this is like my dream spec to have the Bowers and Wilkins have that glow compared to the Harman car door, the plain old speakers. Not really a fan of these. They do sound pretty good for like my standards. I'm not really too into the music. I'm more about the performance, but you know, I want the look. I want to have the look. I'll probably do a POV driving later. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for now. This is the box that it comes in. So yeah, I bought it from this guy in Ukraine or Europe, I forgot where, Poland. And yeah, the kit came with additional wires and everything, so it was like plug and play. It's pretty good. Alright, now to get this cover off, you have two T20s, and you got these rivets you have to drill them out. Then you plug them in to the other ambient lighting. Comes with additional adapters, and you just plug it back in. That's easy. It is easier if you get someone to hold this for you. I'm doing this dolo right now. You could put it down. It's better if you put like a mat on the floor, so you can drop it on the floor. I'm just holding it with my leg. So yeah. Taking off the speaker, swapping it out with the new speaker.
Let's hear it. Start it up.